Hello students, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we teach you types of sets. So the first is finite set. A set containing finite number of elements or no element is finite set. Example of finite set is A equals 2, 4, 6, 8. The second is cardinal number of a finite set. The number of elements in a given finite set is called cardinal number of finite set. Let's set A equals 2, 4, 6, 8. This set has 4 elements. Therefore, the cardinal number of set A equals 4. So, it is denoted as NA equals 4. The third is infinite set. A set containing infinite number of elements. Infinite set example are set A equals 1, 2, 3, 4. Another example is a set of multiple of 2 equals 2, 4, 6. 2n. The fourth is empty null void set. A set containing no element is empty set. Its example is easy. Set A equals no elements. The fifth is singleton set. A set containing a single element. Example is set A equals 1. Next types of sets is equal sets. Two sets A and B are said to be equal if every element of A is a member of B, and every element of B is a member of A, and we write A equals B. Example is set A equals 1, 2. Set B equals 1, 2. Next types of sets is equivalent sets. Two sets are said to be equivalent if they have same number of elements. Example is set A equals 1, 2. Set B equals 3, 4. A and B have same number of elements, so A and B are equivalent sets. Next types of sets is subset and superset. Let A and B be two sets. If every element of A is an element of B, then A is called subset of B, and B is called superset of A. Example: set A equals 1, 2, 3. Set B equals 1, 2, 3, 4. Here A is called subset of B, and B is called superset of A. These are the types of sets. In the next video, we teach you power set, universal set and disjoint set. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.